1000 tenths points. The service at this hotel is excellent, with a beautiful and well-maintained rose garden. The hotel is very clean, and the breakfast is delicious. Kok San Tuat Boy. And Sang Buffet Nong. John The Nant Yen, Niet Ting. Case Kovu Vuonhong Va Swoi No, Kong John Thang Mat. Fonji Adin Rong Tu Toilet, Ko Bep. An absolute delight. This place is a must-stay. Firstly, the staff, everyone from the front desk to the cleaners, they really know how to look after people. The room we stayed in was massive with perfect amenities and a great shower. The breakfast delicious. And the small eateries around the area are terrific, especially the small chicken rice shop 100 meters away. Ate there 3 times. We got sick during our stay and needed to extend, and what a place to extend. They were understanding and helped us straight away. I would definitely stay here again. Thank you so much for having us. Good place, happy to stay. 9 tenths. Wonderful, very satisfied and happy with this hotel. Nice and green view, good breakfast, we'll come back in the future. Exceptional, nice place. Staff supporting and very friendly. Happy to stay. Good place, the staff are very kind, clean room, good location. Exceptional, min ko chuyendi tu nyai va keiko 1 dm kidache. Mocha ifdi tu it voi kua tu mi kan. A perfect trip in the best room ever. Nyan veen hotro rat niet ting, latan siu than yen. The staffs are friendly and supportive. Stay here. My next trip to Dalat, I will definitely stay here again.